If you want to turn off a VPN on your iPhone or remove it completely, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in 2026. First, open the Settings app. If a VPN is currently connected, you'll usually see a VPN option near the top of the settings screen. Simply tap the toggle next to VPN to disconnect it immediately. If you only want to stop using the VPN temporarily, that's all you need to do. However, if you'd like to remove the VPN completely so it can't reconnect automatically, there's one more step. Then tap General. Next, select VPN and Device Management, and then tap VPN. You'll now see all VPN configurations installed on your iPhone. Find the VPN you want to remove and tap the Info button next to it. On the following screen, tap Delete VPN, then confirm by tapping Delete again. Once completed, the VPN profile will be permanently removed from your device. If you have multiple VPNs installed, you can repeat these same steps for any additional VPN configurations you'd like to delete. And that's it. You've successfully turned off or completely removed a VPN from your iPhone.